All right, so we got something special. We got a new building, so a little bit more production. It's bare bones right now, so we're gonna work on it. Hopefully by end of the month, we should have it up and running. We'll be able to get 2 more technicians in right off the bat, and then storage, be able to put all cars inside. I mean, we're looking at maybe 50 cars. We'll see. It's nice and bare. It's 4 walls right now. We got a new shop fan, RB components, and Lost Highways. All right, so we're planning on putting 3 lifts here, Sprinter in the back, the RVs. We are gonna have a Sprinter lift, so we have 2 Sprinter specific lifts. So that's gonna be pretty cool. It really helps out when you have to service them and lift them up. So that's something different. This is gonna be production side. Literally, it's 4 walls right now. They still have to put power, air. They're gonna paint everything. And then this side is gonna be mostly for vehicle storage. So as of now, we don't have any 2-post lifts that are gonna go in there. But if needed, we'll have to add some more storage. We're able to double stack. Just the point is being able to bring everything from outside inside every single night, so it's always protected. So it just ensures that there's no odd situations where we show up and somebody broke into your car. We're in a great neighborhood. That doesn't mean much. At the end of the day, somebody could accidentally forget to lock a car, or hey, you know what, somebody's loitering around, and it's an uncomfortable situation. So we just want to completely avoid it and keep every car safe. And especially since some of them are really expensive. Like that view over there, new, that was probably, I don't know, $150. And then the amount of RVs that we have, it just really adds up. And then the amount of stuff that's put on there by the customers, it's a big investment, and we want to make sure we protect it. So technicians will be able to swing in, make a left. The first 3 lifts are going to be at a near 45-degree angle. Actually, near where the white van is at, that's where our Sprinter lift is going to be at. So we are going to be able to fully lift the Sprinter, not an RV, but an actual 140, 144, 170 Sprinter. We really want to have this place just for production, really maximize the space out of it, make sure cars get in and out quicker, make sure we were able to service our customers. We were doing great, but we got really, really busy, and we start noticing we start falling behind just because we have 35, 40 cars, and it's a lot. Give me about a month. Hopefully this place is built out and up and running. I was talking to my wife because we started out of our 2-car garage, and that was maybe 1,000 square feet, if that. Now we're going up to 11,000. As of now, we're currently at year 7. So it's not something that happens overnight. It's a big jump, but it's a good jump. It's needed, it's growth. This building should be up and running in roughly about 4 weeks. We have 1 lift that's gonna hold us up, but all the electricity, all the paint, the amount of work that we have obviously keeps us busy, but also being able to provide a different service, an honest quality repair. And honestly, at the end of the day, that's all the customer wants. They just want to pay for something, feel like they're being taken care of it. And if anything goes wrong, we take care of it. It's simple. It's a simple philosophy that I continue to follow.